Ah, life's simple pleasures. In restaurants and convenience stores everywhere, our machines make the delicious foods and treats we've come to love and generate profits for countless businesses, large and small. We're DSL, and we've been supplying and servicing the machines that make those simple pleasures since 1916. And so to celebrate our first 100 years in business, we're looking forward by remembering where we started. Back in 1916, we supplied everything but the cow to dairy farmers and the small local dairies that used to be in every town and city across the prairies. Until the 1950s, when, just as our dairy equipment customers were beginning to disappear, quick service restaurants and convenience stores started popping up all over. Food and restaurant equipment was the way of the future, so Dairy Supplies Limited became DSL. And we grew to be the #1 food equipment experts in Western Canada, exclusively representing the best brands in the business. When you buy with DSL, you're getting more than a piece of equipment. You're getting our core beliefs of quality, expertise, and exceptional service, and the support of a team that cares about the success of your business, big or small. Because we know that DSL's success is based on your success. A lot can change in 100 years, but it's what hasn't that is the most important. DSL's commitment to serving you, our customer. New technology makes us faster. New software makes us more efficient. But nothing can replace the caring, smart, smiling service person making sure you have the right parts at the right time. After all, to serve the simple pleasures in life, your equipment needs to be always up and always on. DSL, now serving innovation, profits, smiles, now serving you.